So next, here we have another similar question wherein we have to find mean, median and mode. Sixth question from the exercise 14.3. So CF class interval and frequency is given. Third column is xi. Xi it is there in case of any method. While finding mean, be it direct, be it assume, be it step deviation, whatsoever it is, you have to calculate the value of xi. Xi is add plus divided by 2. 1 plus 4 divided by 2. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 4 divided by 2. So this, it is not minus 1 to 4. This is 1 to 4. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 divided by 2. 2.5. Next, 7 plus 4. That way you will do, or you will add the value of h. Add h. What is h? 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, how much? 3. 7 minus 4, how much? 3. So value of h is 3. Add 3 to it. You can do it two ways. First of all, you can find the value of average, or calculate, fill the column, or either find h and add all the values of h. Clear? 4 and 7. What is the average of that? Add 3. 5.5. 8.5. 11.5. 14.5. 17.5. This is the value of xi. Next column, ui. We have to find FIUI. Remember the formula, right? UI, then FIUI. UI, while finding UI, we have to consider a value of A. A in xi. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms are there. These two are getting in middle. 8.5 we have to take. This is the value of A, and value just in front of A it is 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3. Clear? But you need not to, you do not have, are not supposed to do it this way. You at least have to find the value of 3, 4 terms. Right? Should I show you how did minus 2 come? What is the formula for UI? Xi minus A divided by H. What is the value of Xi in this case? 2.5 minus A, 8.5 divided by H, 3. Right, 8.5 minus 2.5, 6 minus 6 by 3, which is nothing but minus 2. Here also in the next case, 5.5 minus 8.5 by 3, which is minus 3 by 3, minus 1. Right, likewise we got all the values. Next column is FIUI. FIUI. Multiply FI and UI. 6 into minus 2, minus 12, minus 30, 0, 16, 8, 12. Right. 12 gets cancelled, correct? Sigma Fi UI is equal to 12 need not to consider. 16 plus 8, 24 plus 24 minus 30, minus 6. So 12 we are not considering because plus and minus got cancelled. Minus 30 is the only term which is minus. Plus we have two terms, 16 plus 8, which is nothing but 24. Minus 30 plus 24 is nothing but minus 6. Sigma Fi UI we got sigma Fi. Is it 100? Yes. Let us check. 40 plus 30, 70. 70, 16 plus 4, 20. 20. 6 plus 4, 10. 70, 20, 10. 70 plus 20, 90. 90 plus 10, 100. Sigma Fi UI we have, sigma Fi we have, and A we have, H we just calculated. If you want, you can write all the values. I am directly substituting. What is the formula? Mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi UI by sigma Fi into H. What is the value of A? 8.5 plus sigma Fi UI minus 6 by 100 into 3. Right. 8.5 plus into minus minus. Right. 3 and 100 will be cancelled. 3 and 6 it will go in one table, but both of the terms are in numerator. Cancellation, both the terms cannot be cancelled. If one term is cancelled from the numerator, other must be from the denominator. 18 by 100, you can directly cancel this. 2 3s 2 50. 50s, or just keep it like that only and write 0.1. Do not cancel. I'll tell you why am I not cancelling. It is minus 6 by 100 into 3, which is nothing but minus 18, which you guys already told is correct. Minus 18 by 100, and minus 18 by 100 can be written as 0.18. 18 by 100 is nothing but 0.18. If we cancel and do division, that is also right only. However, keeping 100 in the denominator will help us to write the points. 18 is writing 2 points after 2 numbers from right side. Only 2 numbers are there here. Suppose in case 23 by 10 is there, the answer will be 2.3. 23 by 100 is there, the answer will be 0.23, like this. 18 by 100, 0.18. So we have to subtract 0.18 from 8.5. First of all, make sure that both the numbers are same. I mean, what I mean by same is same number of terms after point. 8.5 can be written as 8.50. 8.50, not 8.05. 8.50. 8.50 minus 0.18. Why did I write it like this? To subtract it in a easier way. So it is 8.50 minus 0.18. Right? This is 4, 10, 2, 3.8. 8.32. 8.32 is the mean. Right? Next, we have to calculate median. Check kar. 5-minute wait. You calculate it by yourself. You already know the process, right? And anyhow, I am uploading the videos on YouTube. You can check it from there. Right. Next, we have to calculate median. We have to calculate the value of a median. Median, what is the formula for median? L plus n by 2. We have to start from n by 2. And what did I say? Before starting the median, 2 things, prerequisite. Did we do this in case of mean? In case of mean, did we do this? Bas? We did not check any prerequisites, right? In case of mean, it is not required. What is there for median? Median, what do we have to check? We have to check that is the class interval continuous or not. 1 to 4, ending from 4, starting from 4, ending from 7, starting from 7. It is continuous, need not to worry about it. Next case, next what do we have to do? We have to check is the frequency, in case he will give frequency or he will also give cumulative frequency. How do we identify? Look at the value 6, 30, 14, 16. So increasing and then decreasing. So these kind of values are frequency. If it is continuously increasing, it is cumulative frequency. If it is frequency, we have to find the value of cumulative frequency and proceed with the formula. If it is cumulative frequency, we have to find the frequency and proceed with the sum, right? So frequency is given, we have to find the value of cumulative frequency, CF. Like I told you, you can make a new column for new table for median if you are comfortable solving it here, up to you. Next, cumulative frequency, what do? We take the first term same, 6 is there. Next, 6 plus 30, 36, 36 plus 40, 76, 76 plus 16, 92, 92 plus 4, 96, 96 plus 4, 100. So value of n is 100. We have to find n by 2. N by 2 is 50. N by 2 is equal to 50. N by 2 50. 50 we have to check in cumulative frequency. 50. It is greater than 36 but 76. This column we have to come here and we have to encircle these. 7. The value of L is 7 and F is 40. Cumulative frequency 76 or 36? 36. This is cumulative frequency, right? We have to check the value of n by 2 and it is greater than 36 but not greater than 76. This column, this row we have to take and we have to get the values of L and F. We have to get cumulative frequency in cumulative frequency column itself. However, the term which is there n by 2, just preceding to that, this value is cumulative frequency. Note down all the values and substitute in the formula. Directly I am substituting. What is the formula for median? L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. What is the value of L? 7 plus n by 2 50 minus CF 36 by F 40 into H 3 20 was there in previous case. That sum is completed. Next, 7 plus 14. 14 by 40 into 3. 3 and 40 will be cancelled in one table. 14 and 40, yes, these can be cancelled. 2 7s, 2 20s. So it is 7 plus 7 into 3, 21. 21 divided by 20, which is nothing but 7 plus 21 divided by 20. Do we have 21 in case of 20? No. 0.0. 20, no. 20 is there, no, right? My bad. 20 ones are 20. If you do subtraction, we'll get 1.0. It is still smaller. Take 0. 5s, 100. So it is 1.05. 7 plus 1.05. You know the division, right? 7 plus 1, 8. 8.05. Is it between these two values? Yes. So that means we did it right. Next, we have to calculate what? Mode. Mode. In case of mode, need not to draw a new table. Just by looking at the table, you can get the values and substitute in the formula. What is the formula for mode? Mode is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Where do we have to start mode? In frequency, highest value, there we have to start. See, remember, in all the sums, you just try to remember these main important points. In case of median, you have to start from n by 2. Search in the cumulative frequency. While starting median, there are two prerequisites. In case of mode and mean, it is not there. So, mode, you directly have to come to the highest value. This is F1. That is F0. F2. We have all the values. Let us substitute here. What is the value of L? 7 plus F1 40 minus F0 30 by 2F1 2 into 40 minus 30 minus 16 into 3. 7 plus 10 80 minus 46. This is 16, right? So minus 46 into 3. 7 plus 10 divided by 34. 34 into 3 plus 34. 34 into 3. 34 and 3 will not be cancelled. However, 10 and this 2 can be cancelled. 5, 1, 7. In case of 2 table, 2 5s, 2 1 is 2, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14. So it is 7 plus 5 3s, 15 divided by 17. 15 divided by 17. In 17 table, 15 is not there. So put a point, take a 0, 150. 17 8s or 17 9s. 9 7s, 63. 9 1 is 9 plus 6, 15. 153. 17 8s. 7 8s, 56. 8 1 is 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 136. 17 8s are 136. After doing subtraction, I'll get 14. Right? Point is there, I'll take 0, 140. Less than 140, 136 again. 0.88. 0.88. So it is 7 plus 0.88. It is 7.88. Mode. We calculated mean, median and mode. Here we have another question wherein we were finding, we solved the problems related to mean, median, mode. In a question where there is mean, median and mode combinedly asked, we solve those kind of questions. And this question number 3, 14.3, we have to find the median. Why did I select this question is because this is quite different from others. For all the remaining questions, you can directly find the value of median. But here, as I already told you, before solving median, we have to check is all the given information up to date, or required information is there or not, or are we supposed to do some modifications to it. So first of all, here in case of class interval, it is below 20, below 25, like that it is there. So we have to convert that in a proper form. Class interval below 20, we cannot 20, 25 it is there. So we can write that as 15 to 20. 15 to 20. 15 to 20. Below 25. 20 to 25. 25 to 30. 30 to 35. 35 to 40. 40 to 45. 45 to 50. 50 to 55. 55 to 60. We made quite modification to the class interval and we wrote as per our convenience. Next, frequency. Why did I not write here frequency? Because we have to check in case of frequency. I told you two things has to be there. For in case of class interval, is it continuous or not? It is continuous. Class interval issue is sorted. Second, this has to be increasing or decreasing. If it is going increasing at some point and then it is decreasing. So such type of information is frequency. That is frequency. If it is increasing continuously, increasing order, then that means it is a cumulative frequency. We have to extract frequency from cumulative frequency. If frequency is given, we find cumulative frequency. If cumulative frequency is given, we will find a frequency. Frequency. First, while writing cumulative frequency, we will write first one same, then add the next terms. Here we will do subtraction. First term is same, second term subtraction. 6 minus 2, 4. 24 minus 6, 18. 25 minus 24. 45 minus 24. It is 21. 78 minus 45. 33. 89 minus 78. 11. 92 minus 89. 3. 6. 2. Right? This is because cumulative frequency was given, we have to find frequency. Because in case of median formula, what is the formula for median? L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. If f will get from the frequency column. If by looking at the cumulative frequency, we cannot find the value of f. In order to find the value of f, we should have frequency column. In order to find the value of Cf, we should have cumulative frequency column. If frequency is there, we will write cumulative frequency. If cumulative frequency is there, we will write frequency. But be very peculiar. Cumulative frequency will be find from this column and frequency will find from this column. We'll have to add all of the values and it should be equal to 100. If it is equal to 100, then we solved it correctly. If it is not, then it is we did some mistake. Let us cross check it. If it's 100, well and good. If it is not, very good. Chalo. 2 plus 4, how much? 6. 6 plus 18, 24. 24 plus here only you will write all the values and then it is equal to 100 again. N is 100. N by 2. Where do we start median from? First of all, we will check prerequisites. We solved. Class interval was not given in a proper manner. We made it in a proper manner. Cumulative frequency was given. We found out frequency from cumulative frequency. Now we have frequency, cumulative frequency and class interval. Let us jump on to the main part of the problem, which is n by 2. We'll start from n by 2, right? N by 2 is nothing but how much? 50. N by 2 is equal to 100 by 2, which is equal to 50. 50 where will we check in case of here 50? In the column 33. 50 I am checking in frequency column. 50 we have to check in cumulative frequency. In all the problems cumulative frequency was written here, but in this problem cumulative frequency is given. So here we have to check 50, 78. It is greater than 45, lesser than 78, so we have to encircle this column. What is the value of L? 35. What is the value of CF? 21. 45. Don't get confused. See, cumulative frequency will find in CF column. In all the other sums, CF was written here, F was written here. CF will find from cumulative frequency column. Cumulative frequency just above this. This is 45. What is the value of F? 33. Do not get confused. Cumulative frequency, if it is given, CF will find from cumulative frequency and n by 2 will check from cumulative frequency column. Thereby will encircle a row. Will find the value of L and F. F will come from frequency column, CF will come from cumulative frequency column, and L will come from class interval. We have all the values. Let us substitute it over here. What is the value of L? 35 plus n by 2, 50 minus CF, 45 by F, 33 into H, 5. Right. So it is 35 plus 50 minus 45 is 5 by 33 into This 5 won't get cancelled. So 5 is 25. 35 plus 25 divided by 33. 25 divided by 33. It is not there. 0.0. 33. 3 8s are 24. But 7 will take. 33 into 7. 7 3s 21. 7 3s 21. 21 plus 2. 21 plus 2. 231. 231 we can take. If add 33, it will become 260, which will be more than that. So by 7 say kitna 231. If we subtract, it will be 19, right? 19. Point is there. We'll take 0 here. 190. 6 will check once. 33 into 6. 6 3s 18. 6 3s 18 plus 1 19. 198. So 33 into 5. 5 3s 15. 5 3s 15 plus 1 16. By 5 we are getting 165. Need not to subtract because after point we already got 2 digit. 35 plus 0.75. It is 35.75. 35.75. It is between the given values. So that is correct. This is one of the question. Next question. Right, here we have another important question from 14.3 wherein unknown frequency x, unknown values x and y we have to calculate, and similar question example 7, example 8 is there, which is very similar to this same kind of question and very important question. Here class interval is given, frequency is given, we will find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency first write 5 as it is, 5 plus x. 5 plus x is 5 plus x only, we cannot add. It is not 5x. 5x in the sense 5 into x, 5x it will become. While multiplying, it is plus, so 5 plus x. 5 plus x plus 20. 25 plus x. 25 plus x plus 15. 40 plus x. 40 plus x plus y. 40 plus x plus y. 45 plus x plus y. Right? Now, here this value is given. Some information, number of terms it is given. N is equal to, how many terms is given in the question? N is equal to 60. Number of terms is 60. So this value will be equal to 60. This value, these two values will be equal, right? In the previous question we solved. Cumulative frequency is nothing but last term will be equal to sum of frequency. These two. That's why I am writing one equation here. So it is 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. If I send plus 45 over there, it will become minus 45. X plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. X plus y is equal to 15. X plus y is equal to 15. Write it as equation 1 and we'll utilize it later. If we have the value of x, I'll substitute over here and I'll get the value of y. If I have the value of y, I'll substitute over here and find the value of x. Now let us move on to the next part of the problem. What do we do? Right. In case of median, we'll do n by 2 and we'll find the value of n by 2 from cumulative frequency. Here I'll do n by 2 and it is 30. N by 2 is equal to 60 by 2, which is equal to 30. But 30, one problem is 30 we have to check it from here. 30, it is x, right? We cannot anticipate x. If x is for example 25, you'll have to encircle this column only. If x is 5, you have to encircle this column. If x is minus 15, you have to encircle this column, this row. How do we check this in this case? You understood what's the issue here? In the previous cases, cumulative frequency was there. In the cumulative frequency, we'll check the value of n by 2, which is greater than that value will encircle and we'll find the value of L and F and cumulative frequency. However, in this case, it is not possible because unknown frequency, unknown value x is there. We cannot say, you might think that 13 are nearer to 25, this value it might be, but that is not correct. That's not the correct way of guessing. So, we have to come like after finding the answer, what we used to do? We used to check in the class interval, is the value in the class interval or not. Here in this case, median is already given. How much is the median? 28.5. 28.5 means in which two class interval it will come? 20 to 30. By this way, we have to encircle this row. 20. Value of L is 20. Value of F is also 20. Cumulative frequency 25 plus x or 5 plus x? 5 plus x. This is cumulative frequency. Chalo. Shall we substitute in the formula? Median M is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. What's the value of L? 20. 20 plus N by 2, 30 minus CF, 5 plus X divided by F divided by 20. H is 10 is equal to, how much is the median? He has already given, which is 28.5. Right? Any issues? Yes. Brackets, very good. While doing minus, I have already told couple of times, while subtracting, in the previous cases cumulative frequency was only one term. While subtracting only one term, need not to put a bracket over there. While we are subtracting two terms, we have to for sure write the bracket over here and multiply minus. Otherwise, if you are not writing minus, multiply minus directly, which you cannot do. That's why always, if minus is there, not just in this sum, in all the sums where you have minus and more than one term is there for cumulative frequency, put a bracket over there, right? Plus 20 is transferred to that side, it will become minus 20. So here we'll have 30 minus 5 minus X. If you do not put minus, it will become plus X and entire sum is gone. Divided by 2 is equal to 28.5 minus 20. So 10 and 20 cancelled here, right? 30 minus 25, 30 minus 5, 25. 25 minus X divided by 2 is equal to 8.5. 28.5 में से 20 निकाले तो 8.5. 2 is in division. If I send it over here, it will become multiplication. 25 minus X is equal to 8.5 into 2. 25 minus X is equal to 17. 17 only. 8.5 into 2 is 17. 8.5 into 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17. After 0.10, 17.0 is nothing but 17. Right. Minus X is transferred this side, it will become plus X. Plus 17 comes here, it will become minus. So it is 25 minus 17 is equal to X. So X is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. We already made an equation here. Substitute X is equal to 8 in equation 1. Substitute X is equal to 8 in equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus Y is equal to 15. What is the value of X? 8. 8 plus Y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15 minus 8. Therefore, X is equal to 8 and Y is equal to 7. One of the important question. Yeah. Next question. Example 8. Similar to the previous question where we have to find the value of X and Y. Class interval is given. Frequency is given. We'll find the cumulative frequency. 2 as it is. 2 plus 5. 7. 7 plus X. 7 plus X only. 7 plus X plus 12. 19 plus X. 36. 36 plus X. 56 plus X. 56 plus X plus Y. 65 plus X plus Y. 72 plus X plus Y. Right. This will be equal to N. You already solved these problems. So, right. 76 plus X plus Y is equal to 100. 100 is already given in the question. N number of terms, which is frequency, is given, and median is also 525, which is also given, right? So here we'll make an equation. We'll utilize this later. X plus Y is equal to 100 minus 76. X plus Y is equal to 24. Write it equation 1. We will utilize it later, right? So we have to start from N by 2. N by 2 is how much? 50. N by 2 is equal to 50. 50 we cannot check here. Where do we come from? 525. We'll try come from 525. 525 is between 500 and 600. Encircle this one. In this type of questions only, we have to come from this way. Otherwise, we'll find the value of N by 2 and check it in the cumulative frequency, encircle a particular row which is greatest value. Right? That way we do for regular questions. If it is unknown value X and Y it is given, we have to come from median what is given, will encircle that particular row and will find the respective values. This is L, this is F is 20 and cumulative frequency is 36, right? So let us substitute median M. Medius M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. What is the value of L? 500 plus N by 2 50 minus CF 36 plus X, very good, bracket, by F. F is 20 into H, 100 is equal to 525, right? Plus 500 transferred over there, it will become minus 21, 25 is a 100, or 0 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, both ways it is same only, right? So here we have 50 minus, if I multiply it inside, it will become minus 36 minus X into 5 is equal to 525 minus 500, right? 14 minus X into 5 is equal to 25. If I send 5 here, it will become division into is there, no, 14 minus X is equal to 25 by 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25. So 14 minus X is equal to 5, minus X transferred here, it will become plus 5 gets here and it will become minus. 14 minus 5 is equal to X. So X is equal to 9. Substitute. X is equal to 9 in equation 1. Equation 1 is X plus Y is equal to 24. X is 9. 9 plus Y is equal to 24. Y is equal to 24 minus 9. Y is equal to Y is 15. X is 9. Clear? X plus Y is equal to 24. Barabar. Another important question. So this is going to be the last question from the important series of statistics. 6 marks questions I am talking about. So it's not just these many questions. ठीक है, last में बात करेंगे. First we'll solve this problem. Given data, class interval is given, 11 to 13, 13 to 15, so on and so forth. Frequency is also given. Unknown frequency F is there. Mean value is given, which is equal to 18. We'll solve this using step deviation method. Direct method and assume mean method also we can use, but however, as per my understanding, step deviation method is quite easy because all of the terms will get cancelled. Let's check. Xi. Xi is the mid values. 11 plus 13 by 2. 24 by 2, which is equal to 12. This is 12. Now, what is the value of H? 13 minus 11 is 2. Add 2 to it. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Mid value is completed. Next. What is the next value? Ui is equal to Xi minus A by H. Xi minus A by H. We have to consider A. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 terms are there clearly. The middle term A. This is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is a shortcut, but I already told you how to do that, right? 1, 2, 3. Alright, next. FIUI. 7 3 is minus 21, minus 12, minus 9, 0. F into 1, F1, F. 5 2s, 10, 4 3s, 12. Right. Plus 12 minus 12 we would not consider it. That is there. Sigma Fi. Let us add all of the values. 7 plus 9 plus 13, 20. This 9 plus 13, 20. Total 44. Yes, we have to add the F also. 9 plus 13 is, no, not, what is it? 7 plus 13 is 20. Either way we can do. Already 44 is it? Sure? Let me be double sure. 13 plus 7 is 20. This value and this value is 20. And 4 plus 6, 10. 20, 30. 30 plus 14, 44. 9 plus 5 is 14. 30 plus 14, 44. 44 F cannot be added, so 44 plus F. 44 plus F. Sigma Fi we have. Sigma FIUI. Sigma FIUI. Right. Plus 12 minus 12 will not be considered. Minus we have minus 30 plus 10. minus 30, because minus 12 plus 12 is not considered, minus 21 minus 9, minus 30, minus 30 plus 10, minus 30 plus 10, minus 20, minus 20 plus f, minus 20 plus f. We have the value of sigma fi, sigma fi ui, a we have, h we have. Let us write all of the values here. Sigma fi ui, how much? Minus 20 plus f, sigma fi, 44 plus f, a is equal to 18. What else? H is equal to 2. Mean is equal to 18. Let us substitute in the formula. Mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. What's the value of a? 18. 18 plus sigma fi ui, minus 20 plus f, minus 20 plus f divided by 44 plus f into h, 2 is equal to mean 18, right? Why did I choose this method? You will get to know here. Plus 18, if we transfer over there, it will become minus 18. So it is minus 20 plus f into 2 divided by 44 plus f. Do not solve anything here, I will tell you why. 18 minus 18, 18 minus 18 is 0. So it is nothing but minus 20 plus f into 2, okay, let me write it again, by 44 plus f is equal to 0. Now 44 plus f is in division. If I send it over here, multiplication. 0 into anything, 0 only. Next, minus 20 plus f into 2 is equal to 0. 44 plus f into 0, 0 only. 2 is in multiplication. If I send it over here, division. 0 divided by 2, again 0. Minus 20 plus f is equal to 0. Minus 20 is transferred over there, it will become plus 20. Minus 20 will become plus 20. So f is equal to 20. Cancellation will become easy in this method. 18 minus 18, it will become 0, and all the terms will 0 say multiply, 0 say divide, all the terms will become 0. One of the very important question. So we solved problems related to mean, median, mode. In one question, mean, median, mode, all three combinedly asked. You can solve and you can pick any of the method for mean. It's up to you. However, my suggestion is use this method, and unknown values x and y will be given. 14.3 question number 3, example 8. Those two questions along with those questions, this question, mean, unknown frequency f. These three questions very important, and a question wherein 3 mean, median, mode is asked, and in case of median, value is quite twisted. Class interval is not continuous. Frequency instead of frequency, cumulative frequency is given. Those kind of questions also you have to check. Like basically these are the main important form of questions. Not exactly the same numbers you might get, however same concept you will get. For sure you will get one question from this for this essay 1 as well as essay 2 and ever after. Till then, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.